Hey there, welcome back to our kitchen. What do we got going on today? Well, we're going to do that shredded chicken recipe that you've seen in the past, but instead of barbecue, we're going to use creamy chicken mushroom and cream of chicken. Yeah. So anyways, we're going to mix up the cream of mushroom and chicken together. So used to them already being in the same can together. We got some criminy mushrooms to go with it, and we're going to serve it on a bed of jasmine rice. So let's get this started. No Leo today, but I got baby girl helping me, huh, baby? Gonna help me, baby? All right, let's get to cooking, girl. Yeah. So the first thing I do with the chicken is I make sure to get it rinsed off, and in the crock pot here, we're gonna be cooking this on low for about 8 hours, by the way, give or take. You can season it to taste if you like. I'm probably gonna add a little bit of garlic powder, onion powder, maybe some parsley, just to season it up a little. Be right back. Okay, now that the chicken is seasoned, we're going to move on to how we do the soup. If you can, start off with the biggest Pyrex you got in the house, measuring cup, something with a spout, make it easier for you. Let's get these open and mixed. What I'll do is open one, start to mix her up with the water, get the other one in there. You'll see that here in a second. Okay, I've got both the cans of soup in here. Haven't added any water yet because I don't want to add too much. Probably going to do about a half a can. And then, yeah, mix that in. So I want us a thick gravy. There we go. It's about half. What I'm going to do is switch that in between the two cans. Sure, I've shown you that trick before, right? With jars. Works with cans, too. Trying to get some of the rest of that soup out of there. You get the idea? Whoop, whoop. Sorry. Trying to look through the lens and my own eyes. Alright, I'm going to keep mixing that up, and I'll be right back to show you. So this is how 2 cans of soup looks with a half a can of water. Just under 4 cups. Like I said, we don't want it to be too thick, or thin, I mean, sorry. We want a thick gravy. Because the juices from the mushrooms I'm going to throw in along with the chicken itself, that's going to make a difference too. Alright. I'll go ahead and get this poured on over the chicken. Whoop. Yeah. Nice blanket of gravy there. See? Covers it up just nice. I probably could have used a smaller crock pot for this, but you know, I like a little room to expand. Although the meat will probably shrink down, but still. Got room for other stuff just in case. You want to throw some veggie in there. Although, Mr. has said that it's easiest when there's little as possible in there so you can shred your chicken. I'm going to get the mushrooms in, and we'll show you that. After draining the mushrooms, you see they go down about almost halfway of the can, man. But, I got to tell you, these are so good. These are my favorite kind. They cost a little bit more, but they are worth it because they taste more like the fresh ones. Alright, I'm going to get these in there. Thanks so much for watching this, folks. I mean, you could be anywhere else, but you're here with us. Alright, we get the other mushroom in. Alright, here's how it looks with the 2 cans of mushrooms, 2 cans of soup, half a can of water, and 6 chicken thighs. I forgot to mention earlier that the thighs work almost as good as the breasts. As long as it's boneless chicken, it's all good. It shreds just the same. Well, thank you so much. We'll show it to you when it's all done. It'll be an agonizing 8 hours for us on low in the crock pot here. But for you, it's going to be instantaneous due to editing. You luckies. We'll see y'all then. This has been cooking for about 7 hours or so. And what we're going to do is pull out the chicken and shred it now.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we'll be right back.
It's a lot easier that way. That way you don't have to try to shred it while it's buried in
True.
yummies.
Yup. All right, and then that way we can throw veggies in. So let's get the chicken out and we'll show you the next step. Okay, so now we got the chicken out. Here's what it looks like. They did shrink down a little bit.
What do you think? It's all thigh or breast?
It's all thigh.
All thigh. So that's like your hip.
Yeah, so let's shred these hips.
All right, here we go. Watch this. I don't know, man. That's how we do it. Oh, look at that. They are so tender.
Beautiful.
So what I'm doing is I'm going to shred them. Last time we did it, we shredded them inside the sauce. And it was kind of hard to find some of the last tender, juicy bits. hiding behind all those mushrooms. So this time I'm going to make sure. Excuse me. I want to make sure we get shredded. Oh my gosh, it's just so
This
tender.
looks so good. It's just falling right apart.
We do this for Dad.
Yeah.
And for us, but for Dad, because Dad doesn't have as many teeth as we have.
Yeah, so it's easier for him to digest this way too, and just get it down.
No diss to Dad. We're all losing teeth. I just had to have one pulled recently. Oops.
Yeah.
So yeah, it all happens. We all get older and the teeth gets less.
Yeah.
For some reason, some people have even less teeth. Anyway, look at that. Look at that. Look what I'm making.
Oh my God, it's
Can
beautiful.
you tell I'm right-handed? My left hand is like sitting there going doo doo doo. Silly left hand. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Look
Oh
what I
man,
did.
this is amazing. And then we should throw green peas in like the last 10 minutes.
Definitely should throw some green peas in. Look,
Oh,
oh my
heck
gosh.
yes.
Look at this.
Oh,
We're
I
gonna
love
do this
it.
over some rice, are we?
Yeah, yeah. I said that earlier.
All right, good.
Yeah.
Wait,
Rice is in the
cat out the
intro.
rice bag.
No.
All
Yeah.
right, good.
I showed
I'm just gonna start stirring it down.
All right, cool.
This guy
So,
over here for a
man,
second.
just the way it looks right now, you can almost make like a chicken salad with that. It's so beautiful. It's prettier than the canned chicken.
All right, look at that.
So beautiful. But it's got that shredded consistency. That's why I bring it up.
So we did this like we're gonna try to eat dinner probably about 6:30 or so.
Yeah.
So this is like an hour and a half before we eat.
Yep.
So we're gonna put it back in there. It's gonna get all warm again. Oh, look at that. Oh my gosh.
That's so beautiful.
Oh, look at that.
Wow.
Whoa. Tucking chicken. Look at that. Ooh. It's
Right
warm.
on.
It's warm.
Yeah. So we're going to get that all dipped back into the gravies here.
All right. Spoon's in the back. I'm going to go ahead and take this back here.
Cool,
Use your
cool.
back spoon.
Use my back spoon. Here we go. All right. So yeah,
I can't believe how tender that was, you guys.
it's so beautiful. I was going to ask to lick the bowl. All right. This is amazing. Yep. So, we'll get some green peas in there a little bit later. After fully draining them, I believe last time.
You'll see. It's going to be a big old hunk of junk of stuff.
Oh, yeah. We'll see you then. All right. We're going to be having some great value, no salt added peas. There's a little bit of the story on the back of the can if y'all want to read that. And what we've done is we've drained them here. Yup. Sure, we got all that. And we are going to dump it in there. Ooh. Do this one-handed for you guys. We think of them their peas. They're so pretty. All right. Let's go. Yeah. Peas. Yum. I just got the phone really close to the peas. Sorry. Good thing it's a Samsung. They've shown this model get dropped like in a fish tank, cereal, SpaghettiOs. SpaghettiOs is brutal.
I love that commercial.
I do too. I love it. Makes me want a Samsung. I am an Apple, you guys. Every family's got one. All right, I got all excited and hit the lid on the cupboard. Yep. All right, we'll see you when it's time. We're also cooking the rice over here. Yum. See you guys soon. All right, here we go. We have ourselves some shredded chicken with the gravies we showed you, peas and mushrooms over rice. It's going to be so good. Thanks so much for watching, folks. Y'all have a good one. We'll see you next time.